Hello everybody, welcome to SoniaChic95 DIY's natural hair channel. So I will be sharing with you how to shampoo short natural hair, and I am gonna be using the SheaMoisture coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo. So guys, I am gonna start off by box spreading my natural hair. Alright guys, I just want to clarify something real quick. My hair is not so tangled. That is why I am spraying some water and combing it. Then I put it into the box spray. Usually when my hair is 100% tangled, I will usually go for like the pre-poo treatment. Yes, before shampooing my hair. And guys, one of the worst thing you can do to your natural hair when it's really tangled, I'm talking about 100% tangled. When your hair is tangled and you decide to shampoo it, it usually causes more knots, and tangle and knot turn into breakage. So I will recommend that you always remove knots and tangle from your hair before shampooing it. Meaning whenever I am shampooing my hair in box spray, I like to split my hair into two parts, and I will take the gentle hair tie and tie the other part. Then I'm going to work on the other side. I start from the back. I box spray my hair in layers. Like sometimes I will put 6 box spray on the other side and 6 box spray on the other side, which is 12 box spray altogether. And other time I will do like 5 on each side. Then it's gonna be like 10. And I also make sure whenever I am box spraying my natural hair, the box spray is looser, even with the twist, because I'm going to be shampooing it. After I was done loose box spreading my natural hair, I sprayed some warm water to get my hair fully saturated because I want shampoo to penetrate my hair shaft. So I'm just working that product, that shampoo, all through my scalp using my palm, working it on my scalp. Yes guys, I'm gonna use my massage brush, also massage that product, because we want to remove buildup and dye from your scalp. Because with clean scalp guys, there come growth in your natural hair journey. If your hair is dirty, your hair ain't gonna grow. So guys, after I was done massaging that product all through my hair, I am just rinsing out that shampoo. Make sure you rinse out that shampoo real good. As I'm rinsing out the shampoo, I am also squeezing the braid gently using my fingers. Try to get all of that shampoo out. If you decide to shampoo your hair this way, I would recommend you increase the time of rinsing your hair out, like 30 minutes more. Squeeze the braids as you rinse out the product. When you notice that the water is clear, which means your hair is clean. This is one of the reasons why when you box spreading your hair, it needs to be loose, because when the hair is loose, it's a whole lot easier to rinse out when you're rinsing out the shampoo. So this is the main reason why I like to shampoo my natural hair in braids and twists. So my hair is huge. Whenever I shampoo it loose, I kind of find it more tangled, but when I put it into the loose box spray, after I am done shampooing it, I don't experience a whole lot of knots and tangle. This particular method make my wash day so easy. After I am done rinsing out that shampoo, I usually take down the box spray and go in with my deep conditioner or leave-in conditioner or whatever conditioner I choose to use that particular day. Yes, comment down below, how do you shampoo your short or long natural hair? And I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.